In this video, we'll cover simple strategies to help you transition from a struggling trader to a structured trader. Many traders face confusion due to too many strategies. This leads to strategy hopping, indicator overload, and ultimately no real edge in the market. Every trade becomes a guess. The truth is, you don't need many strategies. You need one strategy that you understand deeply. First, let's review market structure. A bullish structure or uptrend consists of higher highs, HH, or higher lows, HL. A bearish structure consists, or a downtrend consists of lower highs, LH, and lower lows. Always determine the market direction first. Step 1. Identify the structure to determine your bias. Step 2. Confirm your direction. Only look for buy setups in uptrend and sell setups in a downtrend. And then step 3, wait for price to come into your zone. You wait, you don't chase. Price reacts in key areas. A demand zone is the candle immediately before a bullish impulse that caused a break of structure, a BOS, and left a fair value gap. A supply zone is the candle immediately before a bearish move that caused a BOS and left a fair value gap. The best trades have confluence, meaning multiple factors align. Look for 3 main points. Structure is the price trending in your direction. Zone is price at a valid demand or supply zone. And confirmation is a candle pattern or sweep confirming the move. For entry confirmation, look for 3 things: an engulfing candle, indicating buyers or sellers have taken control; a rejection or wick, showing the market has rejected hand; or a liquidity sweep, where price briefly grabs stop loss orders before reversing sharply. The key message is that trading is mostly waiting. The job is not to trade more, the job is to wait patiently for the right setup to materialize. For your session exercise, open a forex pair on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Mark the swing highs and swing lows to identify the trend direction. Then find one demand zone or supply zone confirmed by a candle before an FEG and a BOS.